So today we'll see a database connection successful part, how we have achieved it. Before we were getting in the last video, as you've seen that we have done the setup of the our MySQL workbench from database. Now we have to connect to the database through our connection. Okay. So basically what we will do here, this is our database student underscore DB, and in that table is students table is there. Now we want to achieve the connectivity with the local host with our connection which we have created here in home screen if you can see. So we have to make ensure that this connection should be established with this data which is with our file. Okay. So now what we will see, we have seen in the last video we have created a db.js file in order to get connection with that with the server.js file we have included here. So now we have commented out this here and we are skipping this file db.js in order to achieve the database connection successfully. So here, as you can see, we want to ensure that the database should get connected, but let's run it with Node.js, Node server.js. Okay. So while connecting it, we are getting this error, CE connection refused. Okay. And after doing a lot of research on the 4072 error in our part, we found that we can achieve it using our other parts in Node.js. So we have done a lot of research on this error definition, and after that we will achieve this result. So what we were missing here is the connection pool. So the database connection which we were establishing here, we can do the create in the instead of the create connection, we can do the create a pool here. Okay. So this is database connection successful, and now we have to create a pool here. So let's try to run it again. Node server just okay. See now you can see that the database connection is successful. So in order to specify this error, we have achieved this error, like we have solved this error by using Node.js. Okay, so this is all about. In the next part, we'll try connecting our database by querying with the particular parts, like running the query and executing the parts. Thank you for watching.